first we need to download the Anaconda. Okay, so to download the Anaconda, first we need to register here. Okay, so give your mail ID, and after registration it will come to your Gmail. Okay, so here I have opened my Gmail, and now here you can see Anaconda distribution download. So from Gmail now you can download it. Okay, so see here the download button has come. Okay, so now you need to, it will take few minutes. Actually it is nearly 901 GB file, nearly 912 MB. So it will take some time, so just make sure. So here it is downloaded, you can see here it is downloaded, and now I am going to install it. Okay, so here you can see the installation procedure is going. So it is nearly 5 GB space required, so make sure that you have that GB installed. Okay, now go to the, now add Anaconda 3 to my path environment. So this can lead to a problem, so that's why I'm not going to do that. Now register Anaconda is also a problem. Okay, now go to install. So this installation also takes some time. I will pause my video and then again run, but you need to complete it. Okay, so it might take few minutes. Okay, so now it is completed for me. Okay, now go to next. I will go to next, and here also next. Now you can see that Anaconda one pop-up has been opened. Okay, Anaconda navigator has been opened. Now here you can, if you wish, you can sign in here. Okay, I'm also not sure what exactly there are, actually all the packages and everything is there, so just sign in there, and you do not need to do anything. Okay, so yeah, continue. Continue. Okay, with my mail ID I am doing continue. Okay, so okay, wait for 1 minute. Okay, it is not coming, so let me go again into here. So now in mail ID one verification mail should come. Yeah, it has come. So this is my verification code. Okay, continue. So accept all cookies, and then nothing to do. Okay, now what do I need to do? That I need to create a project. So here I have going to folder. Now conda create hyphen venv actually the environment we am going to do with Python 3.12 version. Okay, so but here I'm seeing that conda, it is not getting the conda, though I have installed it, but I am not able to get that. Now search it into ChatGPT. Okay, what is the error message has come? So from here you will learn also that how ChatGPT can be useful in our daily projects. Okay, so here I have learned, I have installed conda in my Windows machine, but getting this error, the error which I have got there, it has posted. Now what it is recommending me, so option 1 is reinstall, though I am not going to reinstall it because I have done everything, and it is time consuming process to again uninstall and reinstall it. So yeah, so what I am going to do, I am choosing the option 2. Add Anaconda Miniconda to my environmental path. Okay, here the manually add conda to my path. So I need to do what I need to do. I need to do the folder where it is installed. So I will copy that folder path, and I will add that into my environmental variable. Okay, So now go to that. So user, just make sure you just need to remember where you have installed this. Okay, so yeah, this is my Anaconda path. Now I will go to the system. From system, okay, so here we can see that advanced system settings, then path, edit. Here I need to add a new Anaconda 3 is already there, so I need to edit it. I have added the Anaconda 3. Now I need to add the scripts. Up to scripts, right? Here in ChatGPT it is suggesting that up to scripts you need to add. So the scripts folder you need to add there. Okay. So environmental variable. Now path, edit. One is scripts, another is library bin. These two things you need to add. Okay, now okay. Now here I need to add one slash, backslash. Okay. So now check the Conda version. So here actually, if I search with Conda version, it is showing 24.7.1. So means my Conda has been downloaded. Now the above command Conda create p python 3.12. This command I will put. Okay. So yeah, it is coming. Okay. Proceed with Y or N. Okay. So here Y is given in the third bracket. Okay. If I give this, oh, invalid choice, then I need to give it Y. It should work. Yeah. Now it is downloaded. It is getting downloaded. Might take some time. So just, yeah, verifying transactions. Okay. So from here, what you need to do? So Conda activate. Now we need to activate the Conda. Okay. So you can see that there is one options Conda activate C personal GenAI Python learning, right? To activate this environment, the environment which we have just created VENV. So what we need to do? We need to activate this. Okay. So Conda activate VENV So the present directory I need to activate within Python learning. So conda error, run conda init before conda activate. Okay, so I think I need to restart my machine because it is still not getting the conda. Okay, so though the v environment file is been downloaded, but conda is not getting activated. As it is showing conda init, I don't think it should work. Okay, something happened. So for change take effect, close and reopen your current shell. Okay, and then again conda error. Hmm. So reopen the current shell. I think I need to close this. So again I am searching for ChatGPT, but it is showing. Okay, let me restart my machine. Okay, as it is still telling to close it and so let me restart it, and hope after restart it will able to activate the conda projects. Okay, I have restarted it. Okay, so now you can see that conda activate env is working. Now let's create a file app.py. So print 2 plus 2 I have written. Now I need to execute this. So for that you need to you can see that python app.py is equal to 4. It is showing here. Okay, now let's make a folder, that python projects. So now here let me write one file testing ipnyb. So actually this is actually the Jupyter notebook. Okay, and for that to activate this we need to select kernel. In the right hand side, select kernel. So install enable suggested extension python and plus Jupyter. Okay, so now click that, and now look in the here Jupyter extension is getting installed in the right below. Jupyter extension, now type python environment. Now we need to select python environment, and here venv python 3.12, the projects which we have created earlier. So that is there. Now it is asking to reload the VS Code. Okay, so now you can see it has come. Okay, now to run it from the Jupyter notebook, if I write 2 plus 2 here and execute it, okay, it is running for ipykernel package. Okay, now let's install this. So what ipykernel is? So ipykernel is this a kernel which is specific for this Jupyter notebook, which is very much essential and compulsory to run this notebook. Okay, so it will take few minutes to install. Now here let me put a file requirement of text. What are the requirements libraries we need to do? We need to use it. I will write it here, ipy kernel. Okay, so yeah, now save it. So now you can see that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That is been executed. Okay, so as the ipy kernel is already installed, now write another things. Print 2 plus print hello python. So now shift enter. You can write from the from left hand side also, you can write that command. You can hit that button or shift enter. Okay, it is now coming as hello python. So hope you have understood till now. Here I am setting the environment and python code is running in my windows machine. Okay, so thanks. In my next video I will do next of the few things and I will share with you guys.